guys, I'm Doris from Lathe. What does a smart, precise, and cost-effective slave bed lathe look like? Today, I will take a look at this CKD108L integral cast iron base, which is longer, wider, and heavier than other CNC lathes. It could increase the rigidity and improve the deformation resistance of the machine tool. The 30-degree slave bed has good rigidity, and it is convenient for the workpiece loading and unloading, and also the discharge of iron chip. Meanwhile, we use Japanese THK roller guides and roller screws with high rigidity and high precision. The wide-body hydraulic soft tower with big tooth plate is adopted, which can change tool quickly and has high rigidity. It is suitable for heavy load cutting and can do the 6 to 7 mm single-side heavy cutting of number 45 steel. The tail store adopts inland steel rectangular guide rail. The manger could expand and contract automatically. The max processing length of long shaft could reach 600 mm. The spindle adopts durable Swiss SKF. It's the optimized combination of high precision, high speed, and high loading capacity. Do you like such a smart, precise, and cost-effective CNC lathe?